The third edition of the summer program, AI, Aesthetics, and Conscious Fashion, a collaboration between H Farm College and the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York, has recently come to an end.
They are like-minded and the cooperation is top-notch.
For 1 week, students from both institutions came together to explore how technology, design, and innovation are reshaping the future of fashion.
This was my first time in Italy and first time in Europe, so that was definitely a new experience.
At the heart of the program was a design challenge developed in partnership with D-Air Lab.
Dear Lab is an innovative startup founded by Mr. Lino Dainese with the idea of combining the potential of the wearable tech in our life.
Working on a real industry case, students explored the company's technologies and products. They then developed new concepts for the protection of urban and sports cyclists.
So it's very interesting to see that aspect of fashion. Usually we're working on more high fashion or commercial fashion, whereas this is another market that I'd never been introduced to.
It was definitely interesting to learn the fashion elements and the fashion vocabulary, because since I'm a marketing student, I didn't really know all of that.
They had many different skills, and so being able to mix all of them and to match all the skill in one single team and one single project in a few days was for sure challenging.
So putting those two things together has been absolutely phenomenal, and H Farm has provided this amazing campus that we have all this nature, which we're not used to in New York.
I really wish we had more time so I could look at everything, because we really had a couple of times where we could walk around and look around, but it is a very beautiful campus.
Felt very safe, very welcome, so that was definitely my favorite part of the trip.